Hello viewers, today we're going to be attempting a repair on this Duracraft DT7 fan. And I don't know if I'm going to be successful this time around because I do believe that this needs a new bearing. And I may have one, but I'm not certain, so we've got to get this opened up and see what size the bearing is, and then I'll be able to determine whether or not I have a replacement on hand. So I've never been inside one of these before, so this will be a learning experience here, but hopefully it's fairly straightforward. So let's get started. Okay, looks like that opens very easily, and this whole back cover here, oh no, a screw just fell. One, two, three, four, five, six. How many are we supposed to have? Six. Okay, good. All the screws are accounted for. So we got that cleaned, and let's see what's going on here. So the bearing, oh my goodness. Well, I can't even attempt to repair this because it's just totally gone. Half of the bearing is gone. It's got one of those stupid things in the blades. Those are dumb and stupid and ridiculous. I don't know how else to get them off other than just to break them, which is not, something I like to do. I'd like to be able to put things back in their original manner, but these are just not designed to do that. So we'll just go ahead and toss it in the recycle because it's not of any use to me and I don't wish to have that stupid thing around anyways. Okay, so this has absolutely self-destructed here. Can't even get that off of there. Wow. Huh. Well, that's really something. Now these motors, I guess these just weren't molded correctly, or something weird went on with these. You can see the metal is all deteriorating here. Come on, unblur. Okay. It's all deteriorating here, and obviously it broke down enough for this one side to completely crack off. I've seen this on other motors that carry the Duracraft name like that, so I guess there may have been an era of defective production, or the metal that was used wasn't a good quality, etc, etc, etc. Oh my goodness. I can only speculate as to what the cause of the failure was. But the good news is I do believe I have a bearing that will work. We just have to hope the front isn't ruined, and it looks like it is on its way out for sure. But let me see if I can find that bearing, and we'll go from there. Okay, so as it turns out, I do have a bearing, and it is the right size. Unfortunately, it's the front bearing on this fan, because it's the one that has no pass-through. So we're not at a total dead end here. I could potentially drill this out. The possibility exists that I could successfully do that. But I'm a little bit concerned about this front bearing here. I believe this front bearing is not, it may not be usable at all. If it's usable, it's not integral. Now, I wouldn't say this failed prematurely. This has quite a bit of dust on it, so this was used quite a bit. This was used immensely. So here's the front bearing. Let's see here, I'll take this off and we'll assess how reliable this is going to operate. I believe this shaft is relatively standard size, so perhaps purchasing another one is a possibility. I only have $1 into this fan, so if I have to spend $10 on a new some new bearings or just a whole new motor in general, I'm not totally opposed to doing that. This is really in a crummy state here. It doesn't even want to come off, and I'm concerned if I force it off, it's just going to break. Yep, there we go, it just broke. So unfortunately, now I need 2 bearings. So there's no way to fix this without getting a new motor. Even replacing the bearings is a long shot because you can see it's all stuck on here, and I don't really have any way of knowing if this motor even works. Yeah, this is unfortunately this is going to be a repair fail, and we'll have to come back with a part 2 when I can get a new motor.